Hey friends, here's another video based on the biosynthesis of steroid hormones. So steroid hormones are the lipid-soluble non-polar derivative from the cholesterol and are produced in the adrenal cortex, testes, ovary and some peripheral tissues. So these binds with the globulin in blood and can diffuse across. It is of three types, that is mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, and the sex corticoids, found in the aldosterone, cortisol, and androgen respectively. So, function steroids hormone plays an important role in mineral balance, carb regulation, and the reproductive function. Also in inflammatory responses, stress responses, bone metabolism, cardiovascular fitness, etc. So, regulation of the steroidogenesis involves a control of the enzyme which modify cholesterol into the steroid hormones of interest. So here is the chart of biosynthetic pathway of the steroids. As it seems to be like very complex, but trust me, it is very simple to remember. All about him saying that we have to remember this type of structure known as cholesterol, then the addition of a methyl group known as the pregnenolone, and then in this structure only OH is replaced by double bond O known as the progesterone, and in this structure CH2OH is replaced is placed in this methyl group, then known as the deoxycortisterone. Then in this structure only the changes occur, that is OH is added in this position known as cortisterone, and then the CHO group is added on this position known as aldosterone. In the pregnenolone structure only the OH is added known as the 17-hydroxypregnenolone, and it is convertible into this 17-hydroxyprogesterone, in which the progesterone only the OH is added known as 17-hydroxyprogesterone, and then it is converted into the 11-deoxycortisol. In this, the CH3 is replaced by the CH2OH group, and then it forms the cortisol structure, in which the OH is added on it. The next part is the in this structure all OH and the CH3O group is removed, and it is placed by the double bond O known as the dihydroepiandrosterone, and then it is converted into the androstenedione, in which the OH is replaced by double bond O, and then it may be formed into sterone or the testosterone, in which the double bond O is replaced by OH group in this position, and in this the OH is added on in this position, and then it forms the estradiol. And these red color CYP11B1, CYP11B2 are the enzymes participates in this reaction. Some of the enzymes are desmolase, 11-beta hydroxylase, aldosterone synthase, aromatase, etc. Biosynthesis of the steroid. The first enzymatic step in steroid synthesis is the conversion of cholesterol into the pregnenolone, and this is called as the rate limiting step. So, free cholesterol from the cytoplasm transport into the mitochondria is carried out by the steroidogenic acute regulatory protein known as STAR. Cortisol effect, body response to stress like lipolysis, calcium balance, immune depression, circadian rhythm. So here is a short detail on the adrenal steroidogenesis. So first enzymatic step is the conversion of cholesterol to pregnenolone, which occurs in the mitochondria, and these pregnenolone can be converted into three different pathways depending upon whether you want to make mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, or the androgen. So next is the testis steroidogenesis. The main steroid produced in the male is testosterone from the testis. In addition, the testis makes some androstenedione, dihydrosterone, and the estradiol. So in the male, there is a peripheral conversion of the testosterone to dihydrotestosterone in androgen target tissues like muscles and estradiol. So the production of the androgen from the cholesterol is identical to that in the adrenal, except that it continues from the androstenedione to testosterone. So next one is the ovarian steroidogenesis. After ovulation, the corpus luteum produces progesterone and estradiol to support the uterine endometrium during pregnancy. Progesterone is also produced from the theca cells and granulosa cells. The rate of estradiol production from follicles varies greatly during the menstrual cycle. So this is the whole about the biosynthetic pathway of the steroid. Thank you for watching.